With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a ball of mass 1 kg is dropped from 20-meter height on ground and it rebounds to height 5 meter. Find magnitude of change in momentum during its collision with the ground. Hence we can say here, suppose this is the ground and here the ball is mass 1 kg being dropped from a height of, let's say, 20 meter. So here when it, let's say, drops, that is initial velocity is 0 from a height of 20 meter. So just before reaching the ground it has some velocity. Suppose here this velocity is u in the downward direction. After, let's say, collision with the ground, we can say here this ball, let's say, rebounds with velocity here we can say as v. So this velocity is v and here it reaches to a height, let's say, here given in the question as, let's say, 5 meter only in this case. So after rebounding it here travels only up to 5 meter height and finally comes to rest. So this from A to B and motion from C to D. Change in momentum, we need here velocity as u and v value. So for A to B we can say here, we can write here as v square equal to u square plus we have here as 2as. So here final speed is, let's say, minus u, initial speed is 0, acceleration is minus g and displacement is minus 20. So here u square comes out here 40 into, let's say, this is 10, so 400. Hence u comes out here as 20 meter per second. So here this u value we have here as 20 meter per second. Now from C to D we can say here that this equation comes out here as v square equal to, we have here as u square plus 2s, highest point velocity is 0. Here we can say v square plus 2a is minus of g, that is 10, and s is plus of 5. So v square comes here as 100. So v comes as 10 meter per second, that is velocity at c. Here is 10, we can say, meter per second. So we can say here change in momentum can be written here. Initial momentum we have here as m into u, mass is 1 kg, u here is 20 meter per second along minus y axis. So we can say here 1 into minus 20 j cap. So this initial momentum here is equal to minus 20, we can say j cap. Final momentum here we have as m into v vector. This is u vector, this is final momentum vector, mass is 1 kg, final velocity we have calculated as 10 j cap. So this comes as 10 j cap. Hence the change in momentum here can be written out is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum, which here is equal to our 10 j cap minus, we can say, minus 20 j cap. So this comes here 30 in units, we can say here kg meter per second j cap. Hence this is the change in momentum of the ball on rebounding with the ground, which is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.